Alright, that's what a stuck valve on a Continental O-200 looks like. Okay, just show you what we got. Here's an exhaust valve. I've already cleaned it up, but what I found was some coating down here, and it was causing it to stick inside the guide. Alright, I cleaned up the guide already. I reamed it out. It had some coating in it. Okay, the guide's been cleaned. The cylinder's still a little dirty. I went ahead and lapped the valve and put the valve in place, put fuel in the cylinder, and the exhaust is holding tight. There's not really any leakage at all. But haven't done that, check for leakage. Here's the intake side. The intake, you see the blue stains? Believe it or not, that was actually leaking, and there's still spring tension on that one. The exhaust valve, there wasn't any leakage just with the valve in place, so that's going to be a real nice tight seal. Be a big improvement in what it was. My next step is to take the intake valve out, go and clean it up and lap it so it seals up without any fuel coming through. Another reason I want to go and take the cylinder off, besides the obvious with the exhaust valve leaking and need to be cleaned up, is I did want to look inside, take a look at my camshaft, just take a look at the internal parts of the engine. I don't get much opportunity to take a look at it, but just make sure there's no pitting and everything's in pretty good shape, especially considering the age and time on this engine. I'm really pleased with what I see. Better view. Not many people get to see this part of an engine.